How to apply for job at Target. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for job at Target. Target Corporation is one of the largest retailers in US, known for its wide range of products including clothing, electronics, groceries, and home goods. Here's how you can apply for job on Target. First of all, you will need to visit the Target's career website, that is corporate.target.com. Open any web browser on your device and in the search bar, you need to type corporate.target.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Target Corporate. Here, once you reach to this page, at the top, you will find various options. Go ahead and click on this careers, and then you will be presented with this drop-down menu. Here, you will find different career options along with entry-level program and the internships. Here you can select either store and supply chains career or the corporate career based on your preference. Once you have selected one of these, again you need to select the type of career you like to apply. Once you have found one, click on it and now you will be taken to this page. Here you need to click on this browse job listing. Once you click on it, again you will be redirected to a new page. Now here you can use these boxes to search for the specific keyword of the job you are looking for. You can also choose your closest location and then click on the search button at the right. Once you click on it, you will be presented with various jobs related to your keyword. Here you can scroll down and search for the job that interests you. If you found the one that you'd like to join or apply, click on the job title and then you will be presented with the information of this job. Here you can go through all these informations given here, and once you are satisfied with this job, click on this apply now button right here. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to a new page. Here you will need to create an account on it. If you have already created an account on it, you can just sign into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right. Now once you find this job applicable, click on this apply button right here and you will be presented with three different options. Whether to autofill with resume, apply manually, use your last application, or even apply with LinkedIn account. Choose one of these options based on your preference. If you choose this LinkedIn option, you will be redirected to the LinkedIn website. And if you choose one of these options from the top, you will need to create an account on this platform. And once you have created an account on it, you will be asked to submit your application. After submitting your application, you can track the status to your account on this Target Careers website. And if your application is shortlisted, you may be contacted for an interview. So by following these steps, you should be able to apply jobs at Target. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.